Funky D. Ladies and gentlemen, I say make I take this medium. Thank you when don't subscribe. You when they watch me, when I continue to watch me, when I continue to view, and for those of you when never subscribe before, make you continue to subscribe to Funky D 1 of Canada. So the news when I get from her today. Now news when still concern Boko Haram. Because every day, anytime when they come out, we go to talk their matter. Any day when Boko Haram matter and Nigerian army matter and the waiting them kill and who kill each other, anytime when they kill each other, we go bring them come, no matter what. But make I use this medium, tell those people, tell Lona say men, Nigerian government, they not be better government. These people, when we say them be Abakari and the Mamanda, so-called Daura, when they that place, when they say that them be the Nigerian president and the vice president. Because when they send that one packing. Now, una know say yesterday, news come out when tell us say American government, see them drop $7 million bounty on anybody when go find Shakao, the leader of the Boko Haram terrorist people. But today same yesterday, I want to tell you how Nigerian government they distract people's attention. Because these Boko Haram people, whether they take the deceivers, now them be the real main Boko Haram people. Make una see how Nigerian government they distract una when they da Nigeria. When una not get number 6 to reason how they take the distract attention. As they here say them put 7 million bounty on Shakao. Up to today, we never hear them from China television. No? I'm not even sure say it did any newspaper in that country. Because now this government of it, now them they sponsor the Boko Haram people. As they hear this matter, the news say American people they don't come. Now them bring out Oshomole matter to distract you. Now the game be that. So that people no go pay attention on waiting American people, they tell Nigerian people. So as they hear and say, man, see 2.50 something billion naira on top Shakao. Anybody when find Shakao? If you never hear them, if you don't see that video yesterday, they remake the video so that you go begin to look for Shakao. Anywhere where you see Shakao, may you call that number. The number they in that my video when I make yesterday. Now, as they hear and so they just bring out Oshomole matter, say they suspect Oshomole, so that nobody go talk about the Boko Haram issue again. You see distraction. Today again now, they don't come again, can't tell us now, say the same Oshomole, say they not suspend them again. And people will continue to talk the matter, they don't go talk about the Boko Haram. They don't go talk about the leader, when they don't tell us, say they don't kill many times. And still they are alive. They challenge government. They kill innocent Nigerian people. They kill millions of Nigerian people. Innocent Nigerian people. Because the government people, they know say they no go reach them because now they are boy. Now them put them there, make it operate so that their government go they move ahead. So today they don't come again with the Boko Haram matter. So now it make me, I say okay, make us still make this video. Make the word they hear waiting Nigerian army and Nigerian government they tell us. They say many killed, many, they not say one, they not say two, many killed as Nigerian soldiers repel Boko Haram attack on Damboa. Okay? According to the news, this news they come from Premium Times. Dozens of lives, dozen when they talk, they say dozens of people lost their life on Wednesday when attack by Boko Haram militant in Damboa, a town 85 kilometers away from Maduguri, Borno State capital. Officers said. Now the officers, then they talk about from Kidi don't know the officers when they talk, whether now the army officers have been at the police or from Kidi don't want to know. But the officers said, now they talk. Governor Babagina Zulum, now he can they confirm the attack in a statement. When in the take the issue commendation of government troops. Okay? According to waiting the governor, the governor, they claim, say, the troops, that is the government army, as what they call them, say then demonstrated unprecedented gallantry when they tackle the insurgents from the ground and from the air. Mr. Zulum, Kondenyan say 19 gun trucks when they don't already recover from the insurgents. And they can say na unspecified large number of them were killed. That is, in not fit count, they not fit count, they not fit know how many people were then killed inside the matter. Because army and these people, when then they call Boko Haram people, then they battle in this city where they call Damboa. The city name na Damboa. But you can't get one person where they can't say one person from that city where they call Damboa say 5 civilians na him then kill inside the matter and the 47 others sustain bullet wounds. Civilians, now they can't they kill now. They not talk Boko Haram, but they tell us say some people Boko Haram die, but they not, then they claim now say they don't know how many Boko Haram people went die inside the matter. But the civilians now when they tell you say 47 of them carry bullet wound, and maybe all of them fit die in hospital because they don't fit specify to us say whether a leg they shoot them or been a chest or been a head. We don't know, but they say 47. Already 5 don't die. Put okay. The source, the person come they talk say mostly say the operative of the civilian JTF say they don't want name their name for the reason of security matter. May they not call their name. The casualties of the Boko Haram people say the terrorist people, when they run away, when the Boko Haram, say they carry their people when they wound and when they shoot or when die. That is the casualties. They don't say either kill or wound, but they say casualties. Some of them may be wounded, some of them, if you be say some of them don't die, you know. So they say Boko Haram attack when then they shoot, when they claim now, say then they shoot them. The army, they battle them. When this governor now, when be Babagena, they praise them, say, then try. Now, him Boko Haram, see they get chance to they carry wounded Boko Haram members or people when don't die inside battle. When they see them, they attack them they attack them by the land. Now they get chance to they carry wounded body they run. I wonder that kind of battle, how it be. Battle when you go see how you want to carry wounded body run. And well now they run, go, well now I claim say army, they follow them on air and on land. How come they take run? How come they take disappear from the scene? Then they claim to us, say, then they battle them, the army, not this and that, then they praise them. So, ladies and gentlemen, make we continue. Make we just continue. So, the governor Zulum himself don't come talk, waiting in talk. Now, he can they praise all these people, but then they claim to us, say, now, say, the Boko Haram, they are people, when we see them wound, then carry some of them, run inside the battle. Funky don't know where they run go. Okay. So this Zulum, when be the Babagena, Zulum, is in the praise the Nigerian army, in the praise them, you know, say then try well for the fight, when they fight, and for their decisive blow against the Boko Haram insurgents. So, in context, say Boko Haram, say them be attempt to come disrupt this place where they call, say then turn the place upside down. That place where they call, the city where they call Damboa. Say, but they don't know, say, to that Wednesday when they fight, if I say army don't already did there, they wait for them for the battle. So, as army, as they just come, so as they land, so army begin release bullet upon them, according to waiting this man, they can't claim now. So if una they tell us now, say then they fight on air, then they deploy military jet fighters to the fight this Boko Haram. Now be say them past 10 million when they Nigeria. Now be say people when they come out at once, not be even thousands. Because you imagine, ladies and gentlemen, my viewers, una go imagine how where military jet fighter they fight insurgents, how it go look like. According to what they claim to us, say military jet fighter, both up and down, then they fight these Boko Haram people. Now I be say na millions of them they come out at once. And the military jet fighter, they fight them, they can't still get that chance to carry their dead body flee. Why Boko Haram go carry their dead body flee? I don't understand the reason why. When Boko Haram go, they carry their own dead body. The people when they kill among them, they run. So when you look at all these things, when Nigerian government they come, they tell Nigerian people, you go wonder, say man, all these things where they talk, you know they make any sense at all. Where military jet fighter they fight, you go imagine the numbers of Boko Haram when they come out at once. I don't ask them before. I don't tell them, say, those people when they feed, they know where all these people they. Why una not carry them, make them go show now when be army? Una they claim so una they fight insurgents. Una they talk all this because not say American people they don't come and see, then they want that man head when be Shakau, the leader of the Boko Haram. Make una stop to the comma because now laugh the whole world, they laugh at una. Boko Haram, we wonder how many when them be in that country, how many when them they in that country. When una not feasted this defeat. Till today, now different story and the corner of mouth. Now they come, they take the nyan. So Boko Haram attack again, no, Dapchi, kill 6 police officers, 2 others. This one are police people when they tell us now, see, now then they won't put in the battlefront or in the front line. Anyhow, we won't call them, brother, call them. Okay? 6 police officers on Wednesday. Now he then kill these 6 police officers. After gunmen, again, no, gunmen, now they call them, when them believe say, that then say when them believe say them be Boko Haram fighters. Now then come attack that same place where they call Dapchi. Una know say they don't kidnap plenty people in the same Dapchi. This same Dapchi now him Boko Haram. Now them they claim say that Boko Haram them be not be from Kidi they talk. Say then kill 6 policemen. Say then come attack this village, and this village there in Yobe State. A guy one man called Mohammed Goje, the executive secretary of Yobe State Emergency Management Agency, SAMA, na in the Nyanam. So this Mr. Goje, now I can tell the journalist in Damaturu, the Yobe capital, on Thursday, when be today, say the 6 bodies recovered in the aftermath of the Boko Haram attack were mobile police officers. Now them be mobile police officers. It can't say they don't know, say they never still know the identity of 2 of them. They never still know the identity of the 2 among them where they kill. The police, military, and the vigilante, they up till now, none of them don't come out and claim say not them. Okay, say now the people when they say none of them don't come claim the 2 bodies now because they don't even know whether those people serve na still Boko Haram people. They don't know, and they say they be Nigerian police. They be Nigerian army. They be Nigerian military. They don't know their people. And these people that still wear the same clothes when they wear there. So they never feel claim say now them be the they never feel know the identity of the 2 among them, among the policemen when they kill. The Samabos and his team in Dapchi, they don't already evacuate the dead body of those slain in the attack. Those slain in the attack, those people were they killed in that attack, they don't come out their dead body. They don't come out their dead body. They say dozens of houses, according to them, burnt down in the attack. Claim Premium Times. They say Dapchi, now one town in Yobe State, where, I don't tell you that before, where those school girls in the February 2018, you know, remember now, see, February 2018, then kidnap, then they call them abducted, then kidnap many school girls. Okay? And the people when kidnap those two girls, now the same Boko Haram people. But according to their claim, those school girls were released because of the deal when they make with the government. But one of the girls, when they call La Shaibu, still according to their claim, now then they tell us, see, they still hold that girl back because the girl refused to denounce her Christian faith. Then Mr. Guji can say in travel in a small convoy with his own team, accompanied by Goni Buka. Funkidi don't know all these names, what they call. The Commissioner for Sport and Youth Development. Okay? The man, the commissioner himself, come from the same Dapchi. And according to him, he come to talk, say they just returned from Dapchi. As you can see, they just returned. They can't tell the journalist people. He can't say they don't evacuate the 8, and again now they come down again, they can't claim now say now 8 before now since they can't tell us. Now they come say they don't evacuate the 8 dead bodies. Okay? When 6 of them, they don't already identify 6 of them as police personnel. Okay? Because these people, they were wearing police uniform. Most of them, according to their claim, they are Mopo people. The other 2 bodies, he say they cannot identify them because either them be soldiers, nor vigilante or police. You see, they cannot identify them. In fact, here you can see their dead body when they for inside truck, where they put them for inside truck, where they won't go carry them, go put where they want put them. So, but how long when this Boko Haram matter will continue in that country? How long when this thing will stop? Like I said in my opening, this Nigerian government will be APC, Jubri and Buhari, the so-called Mamandaura and the other they call Abakari, when they preside for now. They don't want to make this thing end. Because if government want to make this thing end, this fight will not end long time ago. Then they use them, they chop money. Then they use them, then they use them, they progress their government, you know, then go they disrupt you, you know, go the reason waiting they happen, you know, go they even they think, say that they loot your money. Now, all those things combined together make them bring out this Boko Haram. Now, make them, they never fist to stop this Boko Haram. How many Boko Haram people there? Like I said in my opening before, the issue of this Oshomole when come out yesterday. Immediately when Nigerian government here say America put bounty of $7 million on top that their leader Wemby Shakao. Say they want him head, they want that Shakao. And I tell them, I say, you know, say if America, if they want you forever, no escape. I wonder where that man now, where they call Shakao hide by now. Because you know, say he's a big time wanted man. Now, As soon as Nigerian government here say, then one cow head, then go bring out Oshomole matter to deceive and to distract the whole 200 million Nigerian people. Funky D say, "Una no fit distract me when be Funky D anymore. Una no fit, and anywhere when una day, I go dey follow na bomber to bomber. We go dey come out as the matter come and so we go dey come out in Yana on top this failed government head. This government of Nigeria, now them be the problem when all of us get, whether you in Nigeria, whether you there abroad, now the same government. Now because say things not they work, now him make you flee Nigeria, run come abroad. All of us get the same problem. So we go dey follow on a bomber to bomber APC people led by Abba Kyari and that one what they call Maman Daura. An old man. 200 million Nigerian people, the youth, when I say on our head, they walk where on a day. Old man, when not even they talk, when be Maman Daura and Abba Kyari. When all their blood, all their vein don't weak, now them they control on our resources. They put their 5 fingers on our face. They tell us, say, "Una not fit do nothing." Today, una not fit do nothing. So, where the youth of Nigeria they, where those so-called professors they, where those so-called prophet people, where they claim say them be prophet they, where those our judges they, when una claim say una go school, people when not go primary school. Abba Kyari and Maman Daura, when everything about them na forgery, everything about them na bloodletting, everything about them na to Islamize your head and your family heads. Now them they control now old people, and I say una go school. Now here I go stop Jare. I say army people. I wonder the fight when they fight, the kangaroo fight, Boko Haram fight, when they take the deceive on herself. Go check the mansion when Borata get in Dubai. A military man, how much did they receive? Mansions worth millions of dollars. Now they get in America, in abroad, that Borata they see in a billionaire. If they use Boko Haram, they confuse all of on our head. Them, they do what they do. Now here, I go stop today. If you like, you listen. If you not like, you not listen. We not did that one Nigeria again. What we want? Now the freedom of Biafran people. Now the only that one we want. Anything Nigeria has expired and a fraud. Total fraud. Bye everybody from Canada. One love.